Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about this concept called character design and drawing character illustrations. So मैंने अपने पॉडकास्ट के लिए एक कवर इलस्ट्रेशन बनाया था जिसमें आई बेसिकली ट्राइड टू मेक माई ओन image, basically like my own character design, which was myself. And I picked up some characteristics from myself, like big headphones, uh, big eyes, although my eyes are not really big in in general, and my spectacles, and my face cut, and my ever changing haircut. So these were the qualities that I picked up from myself, and I put them in a character. That process can be explained in another video, but in this video I talk about how I basically created one illustration, and based upon that, and based upon another story, I made another character illustration. So let's get started. So I basically, जैसे मैं स्टार्ट करता हुआ ये मैं बस एक अपना जो इनिशियल आइडिया है वो ड्रॉ करने का ट्राई करता हूँ. उसके बाद कुछ इरेज करता हूँ थोड़ा, और I struggle a bit, and then I write about what I want to portray through that illustrations. Write a small write-up about how I feel and what I want to communicate. तो वो करने के बाद मैं ड्रॉ करते रहता हूँ, और बेसिकली हाँ, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हुए वही वो ड्राइंग ख़त्म करने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. और but don't spend too much time on it. Just quickly get, this the first drawing that you make is not your final drawing, so just quickly get done with it. Put it on the back layer, make another one, and yeah, experiment with, and just look yourself in the mirror and see how you actually look, और जैसे तुम दिखते हो उस टाइप का illustration बनाने का ट्राई करो. But don't make it exactly like yourself, don't make it a self portrait, but a self characterization. उसके बाद I just tried to draw another illustration with my face, and then I decided, what if I make myself upside down, because I feel upside down, and my idea was that I'll be smiling, but it's actually upside down, so I'm actually a bit sad because of things going on in my life, and that's what I wanted to depict. I went on, just did some playing around here and there, made multiple iterations, and उसके बाद एक फाइनलाइज करने का ट्राई किया. बट उसमें भी काफ़ी, अरे यार, बेसिकली मेरे फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी थोड़े बहुत हिले हुए हैं. आई स्ट्रगल विथ basically trying to draw things, because that's how I've been lately. अरे मतलब वो the thing is, human anatomy and all that, वो मैंने एकदम अच्छे से स्टडी नहीं किया है, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी वास्ट टॉपिक है. और इट्स नॉट कि तुमने वो सीख लिया उसके बाद ही तुम इलस्ट्रेशंस बना सकते हो. तुम you can start your journey and learn along the way, and I struggled a bit, so what I did was I stacked my own previous illustrations and on top of the new one, and just tried to play with it. Added some quirks that I have for myself, which is I love the Batman, so I put the Batman t-shirt, and this was around the time Zack Snyder's Justice League was released. तो उसके बारे में भी बनाया. फिर जो मेरे ग्रीन हेडफोन्स थे जो मैं कॉलेज में हमेशा पहन के जाता था, और तो अब वो हेडफोन्स टूट चुके हैं. आई मीन अब मैं वो यूज़ नहीं करता, बट क्योंकि वो एक तरीके से एक मेमोरी जैसा है, और वो मैं अपने कॉलेज से एसोसिएट करता हूँ, इसलिए मैंने वो हेडफोन्स, मतलब वो कलर डाला है. तो अगर कोई ग्रीन हेडफोन देखेगा तो उसको पता चल जाएगा, ओके दिस इज़ आर्यन. तो वो किया. फिर आई एडेड सम कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग एक्सेंट्स, रेड एंड ब्लू, and just tried to create this portal kind of a thing, because I also imagine someday this illustration can go on Spotify, and this matches my entire theme. And yeah, that's, now that I look at it, we're done with the illustration. I tried to play with it a bit and tried to make an animatic out of it, like like some sort of of an audio background kind of a thing. So मैंने रिसेंटली एक IG इंस्टाग्राम पे रील डाली थी जिसमें एक सॉन्ग प्ले हो रहा था और ये ऐसे बाउंस कर रहा था ताकि एक इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो बन सके. तो इस इलस्ट्रेशंस को ऐसे यूज़ कर सकते हो तुम, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. इंस्टाग्राम की DP डाल दी, यू मेकिंग कॉमिक्स बेस्ड ऑन इट, और यू मेकिंग YouTube cover art or anything. So yeah, I hope this process of mine gave you some insights on things that you can do, and I really appreciate you for stopping by, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, कुछ और नई बातचीत करेंगे. और लेट मी नो इफ़ यू गाइज थिंक कि हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाना भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, क्योंकि आई जस्ट फील अ बिट वियर्ड एंड आई फील दैट आई कैन यूज़ a bit of Hindi here and there, because there are some things that can be communicated well through Hindi, like emotions for that matter. So yeah, that was all. That was my process of making one of the illustrations. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, share it wherever you want, and let me know your thoughts. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can comment down below. And yep, that's it. See you later. Bye.